Hey, how's it going, Adam and Air of the Ozarks? This is Kyle Graves with Rising Digital Marketing SEO. And here's my free custom video that I made for you in your website to help you organically uh, increase your online presence with some free tips and tricks. Now, you're free to everything that I'm about to show you is free for you to use. You're, welcome to do that. But if you'd like to work with me, I sure would like to have you as a client for the long haul to increase your online presence and to get you more customers. With that being said, let's jump right into it. I've got your website pulled up here, and it's a beautiful website. Um, it's very custom and top of the line actually, as far as the menu and your number there and everything. One thing that jumped out to me though is that Google looks for about 1,500 words on their front page as far as like content, and your content is half that, a little bit less than half that. I copied and pasted everything on that was on your front page here, and I put that into a Google Word document, and you have 647 words of content on your front page here, uh, and that could get up to 1,500. That's basically the norm of content that you need, which is it enables you to put more keywords in your content. You know, HVAC, Gravette, Arkansas, or HVAC, Northwest Arkansas. Also, I've noticed here you have a lot of beautiful pictures here on your home page here. And here's another tip. Um, Google also reads pictures that are saved onto your website as keywords. And so for every picture that is on here, that's on your website here, it needs to be saved as a keyword. This picture right here, beautiful picture of the mountains here, that could be saved as Air of the Ozarks 1, or HVAC Northwest Arkansas 1. And these pictures down here, these logos and everything too, could be saved as a keyword. So this boosts your keyword uh, overall percentage on each page, and you want at least 10 to 15 keywords on each page. So I mean, this picture of you and your family saved as a keyword, Air of the Ozarks, HVAC Northwest Arkansas 1, HVAC Northwest Arkansas 2. You want these your pictures saved under keywords that people are actually searching for, typing in Google search, so that way your site will organically build traffic over time. With that being said, we talked about content and keywords. Let's get into citations and backlinks here. So this is another website I'm about to take you to. It's called SEMrush. It's free for you to use. Bring up your competitor here. So I have Bud Anderson Air, which I mean his website, in all honesty, looks. I think you have a better looking website than him. But this SEMrush tool, you're going to see some of the things that he has implemented, which is why he is #1 on Google search, that he is in the top there. And I did notice that you're doing some sponsored ads with Google, so that's good. But Bud has been able to get to that top spot over a period of time with some of these tips and tricks that I have shown you there, especially with the keywords. That's a big one. Let's go to your domain here first. So as you can see here, this is SEMrush marketing tool. So you've got Air of the Ozarks here. Your organic search traffic. So you have 305 keywords, which is not bad. And your search traffic is 79, and you have 2,000 backlinks, which is honestly, that's great. That's one of the highest that I've seen. And going down here, you have your organic search traffic. So there's around 79 people each month that are clicking onto your site. And shows here that maybe this is a marketing campaign that you did through this time, and now it's moving its way back up, because I did see you are doing you're doing some ads, which is good. So your organic keywords, you have 305 organic keywords in your website, and you're getting about 79 clicks, views on your website per month. So let's look at Bud Anderson. Okay, so as you can see, Bud Anderson has 34,000 keywords on his website, and he's getting 19,000 clicks, views on his website per month, and he has 13,000 backlinks. Now you see his the amount of organic traffic that he's getting is a lot, and these keywords, this is something that you can implement backlinks onto your website. So having a bunch of links on your website that link to other pages on your website. So it's just like you click on something, you bold it and you underline it, and then you have that link to another section of your website. So you get these links intersecting throughout your website. This gets the algorithm working for you. Also, backlinks are putting your address into directories, your business address. Even me doing this YouTube video is going to help you, because guess not too many people do YouTube videos, and guess who owns YouTube? That's right, Google. So it's more lines in the water. And these backlinks are important because it's getting your address and links to your website on different pages, specifically directories, Angie's List, Yelp, the yellow pages. Having more lines in the water all across the web, even if it's not in your geographic location, but having those free directories set up, more pages with your name, address, business, email link, having that all across the internet gets more, the internet's kind of like a pond. So it's, you get more lines in the water. It's going to get you more traffic and more bites, more customers back to your website. With that being said, you're free to use all of these tips and tricks that I've showed you. However, if you would like to work with me, I would love to have you as a client for the long haul. I said, my name's Kyle Graves. I'm a digital marketing salesman here in Northwest Arkansas. My number is 501-350-7683. I'd love to talk more with you about this. But regardless, I would like to know what you thought, at least of this video. Something that interested you, or something that I could do better to present some of this information to you. But thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon, and have a great day.